Hello, everyone. Enjoy this beautiful view. It's Christy here. I'm gonna walk around. I am on the cliffs here in the beach in the Anbantayan, Cebu. After the elections yesterday, we decided to have a short getaway to come here. There's a bunch of kids swimming. What a beautiful scene, guys. So this is the eastern side of the northern tip of Cebu Island, and it is the town of Daan Bantayan, the very far north of Cebu Island. So my town is on the other side, on the west side, which is Medellin. So that's my town, and I actually have a lot of neighbors and family members that are living on this side from my mom's side. So my parents and my dad and my brothers and sisters, they're over in the beach there, and they are having a beautiful afternoon chat with everyone in the family. So I've decided to actually come out here and find a quiet part of the beach. I'm on the cliff right now. It is a lovely, lovely scene. There's some kids swimming, there's a boat fishing, there's a ship out there. Just a beautiful, quiet time for myself. Um, I don't have a plan on swimming, but yeah, it is a beautiful opportunity for me to just be out here and enjoy the peace and quiet. I hope that today, wherever you are watching from the globe, you get a chance to have your peace and quiet for the day. It is important for all of us to enjoy some time of quiet in the day. And I try to practice that myself no matter what I do, no matter where I go. I always try to seek nature, and I think this is perfect for me. You can hear the waves crashing into the rocks, to the cliffs, and it's breezy actually. I can hear the birds singing. It's lovely. It's lovely. So, yeah, I've got a perfect spot here to talk with you. And I think today today's Tuesday, and yesterday was the midterm elections here in the Philippines. And it's a beautiful experience after all, the craziness of the elections preparation. My sister was one of the leaders and trusted personnel for one of the candidates for mayor in my city or in my town. And yeah, there is a new new set of senators for the Philippines. There's a new set of governors for all of the provinces, vice governor as well, a congressman, and board members, and of course, mayors, vice mayors, and city councilors. So, congratulations to all of the winners. And moving forward, it's an exciting journey, I'm sure, for the Philippines, for the people of the Philippines. So, it's a good time for reflection because here in the Philippines, there is a lot of corruption that's happening in the government. So I hope that the leaders that the people voted for yesterday are going to do their job and they're going to help the people and improve the people's lives because we believe that good governance, especially, I believe personally that good governance is important for the progress of a nation. And I know for sure that based on my experience visiting other countries like the US, they're doing pretty well considering they're pretty powerful nation in the world and it's different over there. I lived in the US for over 8 years and I have experienced good governance and good infrastructure, a lot of opportunities, and high value with their money. And here in the Philippines, there's both the good and the bad for sure. So it's a good reflection that may this new set of officials that the people voted for will do the right thing for the people, for the nation's progress. And yeah, for those who did not win, it's also a good reflection to do better next time and to accept defeat wholeheartedly and embrace the changes, embrace the people's decisions and choices. I myself have experienced defeat in politics. I tried to run for my village councilor for for village councilor and I lost myself. Um, so it's a good learning experience as well. What what a lovely day, everybody. Isn't this beautiful? Just the way this is. Pretty amazing. Just being able to come here and enjoy this quiet to myself. It's precious. Just precious. I hope you feel good no matter what you're doing, where you're at in life, what you're going through. I'm always trying to embrace the moment because I know the moment is fleeting and I like to document it. I like to show the world that there is power and beauty and magic in this ordinary kind of life. I don't like to think too much about life. I just want to be present in the moment, breathe, and enjoy. So I hope you too as well. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful and amazing time. See you next time. Bye, guys.